Debi Peverill, and you're listening to the weekly tip from Painless Financial Training Group. Today I'm talking about a couple of things that need to be done at the end of this year, on December 31st. So those two things are counting your inventory and recording your odometer reading. So inventory first. If you are a business owner who sells a product, then you have to count those products you still have on hand on December 31st. If you're not in business or you don't have inventory, then you don't have to count inventory. So for business owners with December year ends and inventory, you have to count it at the end of the year because items you have for sale that you have not sold, you can't take a deduction for those. That's called inventory, and inventory hangs out on the balance sheet, not on the income statement. So in order to get the correct amount of deduction for the products you have sold during the year, you have to count what you have left so you can make those calculations. Okay, so December 31st, count your inventory, or count it January 1st before you open for business. If you use your vehicle for business or you get employment expenses with your vehicle, then you do need to have a calculation of the number of kilometers that you drove during the year. The best way to get that calculation is to compare your odometer reading at the beginning of the year with your odometer reading at the end of the year. That will give you one of the important numbers you need to do this calculation. If you take a picture of your odometer on December 31st, this is excellent proof and will impress a CRA auditor who is looking to prove whether or not your mileage log is accurate. So if you use your car for business or for employment, you should get that number on December 31st. So this year, there's probably not a whole lot of New Year's parties, and there's not a lot of sports on TV. So you might have thought you were going to be bored on December 31st, but now here's two tasks that you can do. Count your inventory and record your odometer reading.